Suppose
barter
that
economy
in an
is
economy
different
with
from a
lump
money
sum
economy
taxes
in that a
and no
barter
international
economy
trade,
works.
autonomous
So this question, we're asked to
investment
identify a
spending
characteristic
increases by
from the
2
following
million.
choices
If
that
the
is
marginal propensity to consume is
identifies with a barter
0.75,
economy and makes
equilibrium
it
gross
different
domestic
from a money
product will
economy.
change by a
So to
maximum
begin
of
with, let's
blank.
identify what a barter
So in
economy
this
is.
question,
So
we're
a barter
asked to
economy
identify
is
the
an
change
economy
in
where
the
people
equilibrium
barter
gross
or
domestic
trade
product
goods or
after
services
an
with each
increase in
other.
autonomous investment
A
spending
money
by 2
economy
million
is
if
instead
the marginal
where
propensity
people
to consume
use
is
money or like
0.75.
some specific
So with all this
asset
information, let's
to
begin
trade
by
or make
calculating the spending
payments.
multiplier.
In a
The
barter
spending
economy, for
multiplier
example,
tells
a
us
trade
how
could
much
look like one
how much
tool
will be
for
the
one
maximum
whole chicken.
change in the gross domestic product,
But in a money
given
economy,
a
this
change
could
in
look
spending.
like $10 for a chicken.
So the formula for this
So,
spending multiplier is
often
1
choice A
over
says,
the marginal
encourages
propensity to
specialization
save.
and division of labor.
Now, in this question,
This
we're
is
given the
incorrect
marginal
because
propensity to
specialization
consume,
and
not
division
the
of
marginal
labor
propensity
identifies
to
more
save.
with an
So
industry
to calculate this,
where
we have
there
to
are
use the
assembly lines
formula
and there are divisions of
MPC,
labor
or marginal
where
propensity
each
to
worker has a
consume,
specific
plus
task. This is not
MPS, marginal propensity
identifying
to
with a
save,
barter
equals 1.
economy,
And
so A
as
is
we know,
incorrect.
the marginal propensity to
B
consume
involves
is
higher costs for
0.75,
each
and that
transaction.
plus the marginal propensity to
This seems to
save
be the correct
must equal
answer
1.
because in a typical
So the marginal
transaction
propensity
for
to
a barter
save
economy,
has to equal
there are higher costs,
0.25.
where like it might take
With
3
this, we
tools
can now
for one whole
calculate the
chicken,
spending multiplier.
where each
So this should
like
be 1
for
over
a farmer, a chicken
0.5,
has to
or
be sold
it should
in one
be
whole good.
4.
So that's a high cost.
Now,
But
to calculate
for
the
in a
maximum
money
change in
economy,
gross domestic
this
product,
chicken may
we
be
simply
bought
have to
in
multiply the
parts,
spending
where they make chicken
multiplier
leg for
with the
$3,
change in
and
investment.
the other
And
parts
that
of the
would look
chicken may
like
be
the
sold
following,
separately, where
so
they're leading to
the
less
2
costs
million
in a money
increase
economy.
in investments
So overall, B seems
multiplied
to be
by
the correct
4,
answer.
giving us
C
maximum change
eliminates
in
the need
gross domestic
for a
product
double coincidence
of
of wants.
8 million.
This is incorrect because a barter economy always has a double coincidence of wants.
After
And double
autonomous
coincidence of wants
investment spending
is where
increases by
both
2
sides
million,
of the
given
trading
that the marginal
in
propensity
barter
to consume
economy
is
must want
0.75,
what the other
equilibrium
side
gross
has.
domestic product
So
will
like
change
if a
by a
farmer
maximum
has a chicken
of 8
and
million.
the other
So the correct
trader
answer
has
is
a
choice
tool,
D.
then the farmer must want that tool, and the toolsmith must want that chicken. So that's double coincidence of wants, and that is typical in a barter economy. So a barter economy does not eliminate that need, it has that need. So C is incorrect. D has only a few assets that serve as a medium of exchange. This is incorrect because this is a characteristic of a money economy where there's dollar bills, coins, or credit cards. This is not a characteristic of a barter economy because in a barter economy anything can serve as an asset for a medium of exchange. E promotes market exchanges. This is incorrect because earlier we highlighted how there are higher costs for each transaction, so this means that there are less transactions occurring and that there is less market exchanges. So it does not promote, but it does the opposite. So E is incorrect, and the correct answer is B.